Hey everybody, Keith Hoskin here. I'm going to talk about the cooker kitchen microwave again. I'm making an egg toast. I'm going to show you something here, you guys. We're going to make it. You're going to make an egg toast with butter. There's a microwave about 4 minutes. Or you take a 3 or 4 eggs. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and wash my hands again. I'm going to show you something. Okay. So we gotta wash my hand again. Right? So alright. So let's remember the towel in a minute. I'm gonna sit down and make the egg. And yeah, I'm gonna sit down and eat. Okay. We're gonna make an egg. So you know, overstay. Alright. The egg stay where you want. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got a cheese too. So we're gonna crack our egg. Okay, I'll put it in the trash. Okay, when I'll be back. I'm gonna get a napkin. Oh, shoot. Where's the napkin, man? Okay, this is the second egg. This is the second one. And the second one. Oh, yes, you get something in there. Check it out. Look at the blue here. Shoot. Okay. That's how you get it. That's how you get it. Hey, come here. Come on. I did. So, now, I'm gonna get the third egg. Show. Now we can crack it again. That's the third egg. Get over the trash again. Like it's the egg. So we had no milk, so it's okay. Okay, I'm mixing on milk. So okay, okay. Now Okay, now, wish my hand's almost sticky. We need salt and pepper, it'll take good. Alright, we go sit down. Okay. Alrighty. So I'm going to show you something when I make the egg. I'll try to get this way here. Here's the egg. So, then we have to just stir the fork and we have to get it, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna sit down, stir the egg. Everything is pretty good, take in. We just can microwave about 4 minutes. Okay? I'm gonna just to stir up. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and salt in there, I'll put it into the stick like you. Alright, we'll stop. We'll just salt in there. And we pop it. What the dog name is. Okay, that's good to me. I'll put back in the stove until we get mad, but do this. So, we'll have to stir again. I make alright. Alright. So, I just stir up where the creek is. Okay. I'm not crazy so much. So, I'll put the egg in the sheet. You know, piss in there and make sure they're not too big. I don't know what the heck is. There. I'll take it there real quick here. Now, make the egg evident. So, I'm gonna get the macaroni now. Let's see what the macaroni now. But I can't see what macaroni is. Okay, I'll put the macaroni about 4 minutes. Yeah, she's okay now, right? We got perfect plate and we'll pop up. Alright, come on, paper plane. Alright. Okay. I'll put the paper plate for a minute. About 4 minutes. Now, I got to make a toast. I'll make a toast. I hope you see me. What's in here? Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be toast over here. Okay. Make it a toast. So, glad to raise the microwave done. Once it's down, we're gonna talk about Thanksgiving. So we talked about that was a good time making me yesterday. I go to my uncle's house, my aunt, my dad, my uncle's girlfriend, and she had her sister, her mom. So that's it. And my cousin in West Virginia, and him brother down there. So also have a good time here. About 4 minutes. So I heard it pop up in a minute. So I'm gonna have to take the shoes. I'm gonna get it. I have to go grab the shoe from that fall down. Okay, here we're taking my shoes right here. Moving on. Okay, I gotta check my mango lane, make sure not pop up. Not quite done yet. They try to scare me out. I don't want to pop up about this, so I'll get a paper plate with that toad. Okay, it popped up again. Maybe I'm gonna have to get the towel. We gotta cool down in a minute. So about 56 seconds. So there's the machine covering the egg. So we get the butter and everything. About 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I had to cool down. I told I don't hear myself. 30 seconds. Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This is some good guy. Gotta make an egg. Now, over the top of the egg with the sheet and make it melt. And the sheet on top of the egg. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the toast one more. I'm gonna put it right here with it. Now I'm gonna get the egg. I remember you told to me. Okay. So the macaroni done. So I'm gonna get that. Here's the toast. Here's the toast. I'll put the trash in it. Look at the knife. Okay, we're gonna sit down. Put a little bit of butter. Okay. About 60 minutes, 20 seconds, we're gonna get almost done anyway. So here's the butter. Yum yum. So let's take it out. Put butter in there. This sounds good. So I had no work today, kind of closed. Kind of making me yesterday to stay home and take a rest. And my girlfriend, Shelly Clark, she's picking me so much, you know? You see, about 3-4 years ago, Shelly Clark crushed at me. Cause she liked me so much. So, I'm a nice guy. We got different. I was a little boy. I lived in troublemaker. I mean, I'm a school. My teacher was so mad at me. Like, coming name, cussing. Well, back in the 90s. So, okay. Here you go. Here's the toast. Here we toast. So, so bacon watch the cookie show, and I will see you next time. And I will tell you happy Thanksgiving yesterday. So I hope I get a treat to not work for Christmas Day. I hope. So I'll try to take a picture of Facebook of Christmas Day. So you have a nice day. Goodbye.